All right, today I have an Agave. It says Agave right here. This is a lightning cable, extension cable, if that makes any sense. So what it basically does, it extends your current lightning cable. Sometimes you may get a lightning cable. Most times that is only 1 meter or 3 feet long, and you need an extended version of your lightning cable. Well, this actually helps you extend that cable, making it an additional, if you use this cable, 2 meters. So altogether, you'll have 3 meters of cable if you use this. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. And inside here is the cable. I'll get it a little bit closer so you can see this better. This is the cable right here. It has a fabric, feels like outer shell that's very malleable. I'm going to go ahead and, or flexible per se, and untie this. And you can see right here, here's the cable, here is the female input, and here is the male part of it right here. So you would take your lightning cable, plug it in here, and then you have an extension to where you can plug this elsewhere. I'm going to show you how it fits in right there. You have the male part and you have the female part, and you bring them together, and magic, just like that. So this is the Agave lightning cable extension. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.